got 4 tablespoons of brown sugar and butter to be melted into a caramel. And it has to be butter because margarine won't give the right consistency. Melt it all together. Keep on stirring. Take a mug of milk with about an inch clearance and some vanilla and pour it in. And heat up. You want to heat it and keep stirring until the caramel that you've made has melted. And there's a little bit of a white foam on top. It's just about there. And the recipe I have, it starts with 2 tablespoons each of brown sugar and butter. But that holds for like 6 to 8 ounces of milk, of liquid. So, if you want it a little richer, if you got more liquid, then, you know, you do you. Your mileage may vary. Okay. Kind of see it. Just turn it off and pour into your cup. And there we go. Butterscotch latte.